students, a very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to start our today's class with the subject ENV of Standard 1. We are going to start with the chapter number 4. So, our chapter 4 is My Body. Students, our human body has many different parts. Each different part has its own functions. These together body parts work like a machine. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about different body parts in detail. There are 4 main parts of the body. HEAD, head. TRUNK, trunk. HANDS, hands. LEGS, legs. So students, mainly there are 4 main parts of our body: head, trunk, hands and legs. So students, take out your ENV textbook and that open page number 23, chapter number 4. So as we have earlier discussed that there are 4 main parts. So we will start with the head. I am Raghav. This is my head. It is covered with hair. It has 2 parts, skull and face. So students, as you can see in the picture that head has 2 parts, skull and face. The skull is covered with hair. So the main function of the skull is to protect the human brain. Now, face. A face has a forehead, 2 eyes, nose, 2 ears, mouth and chin. So students, what is the function of our eyes? Through eyes, we can see, we can observe the things. We can see pictures, movies, cartoons, etc. What is the function of ears? Ears. What is the function of ears? We can hear any voice. Nose. What is the function of nose? To smell. Mouth. Mouth has lips, teeth and tongue. Students, we chew food with the help of teeth. Tongue. What is the function of tongue? Through tongue, we can identify the taste of the food we eat. For example, if the food is sour, sour means खट्टा. Whether the food is spicy, if अगर खाना हम जो खा रहे हैं वो spicy है, so we can identify it with the help of our tongue. Students, turn your page and take out page number 24. Neck and trunk. My neck joins my head to the trunk. So, as you can see in the picture, the neck, it joins the head to the trunk. The neck helps to move our head up and down and sideways. The trunk has 3 parts: shoulder, chest and stomach. So students, the food we eat is stored in our stomach. The chest, when you breathe, it moves. So students, now we will understand about the arms. Students, we have 2 eyes, 2 ears. So like that only we have 2 arms. So as you can see in the picture, the arm, we can bend that towards our elbow. Each arm has a wrist and a hand. So students, each hand has 4 fingers and 1 thumb. So these different fingers have their special names. So students, this is the picture of a hand. As we have discussed that Each hand has one thumb and four fingers. So, the first finger is known as index finger. The second finger is the middle finger. The third finger is known as ring finger. And at last you can see a small tiny finger. That is, it is known as little finger. So students, our hand performs different functions. For example, like eating food, writing, holding a pen, holding a ball, and to lift the things. So students, we have two legs. Each leg bends at the knee. Each leg has foot, and the foot has 5 toes. So students, with the help of our legs, we can walk in the garden, we can run on the race course, we can jump, hop, we can dance also. So students, let us recall the chapter. Our body has many different parts, and each different part has different functions. These different parts together works like a machine. So it starts with the head. Our head has two parts, skull and the face. The face has forehead, forehead, eye, ear, ear, cheek, cheek, nose, nose, mouth, mouth, teeth, teeth, tongue, chin. So, once again I am repeating: forehead, eye, ear, cheek, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, and chin. Then comes the neck and the trunk. The neck joins the head to the trunk. The neck helps the head to move it up and down and sideways. The trunk has parts like shoulder, chest, and stomach. Then comes the arms. Our hands help us to write, eat, to hold something, and many more. At last, legs. The legs, we can walk, run, jump, dance, and many more things with the help of our legs. So students, we have understood about the different body parts and the functions. So, each and every body part is important. So, here we have completed our chapter, and your today's homework is to read out this chapter.